And good morning, everyone. I'm SWKSS Chief Damon Latham, and thanks for joining us. This is another severe weather update for our possible severe weather event as we go into tonight, into the overnight hours, into our Friday morning. Uh, Severe weather still in the forecast for that time frame as we discussed yesterday afternoon. If you saw that video, uh, we do have the new information this morning that the SPC uh, put out in their overnight update at midnight. This video has actually been recorded at about 1:22 a.m. this morning, being your Thursday morning. Uh, Before we do get started, I want to let everybody know that I do think we will see quite a few severe thunderstorm warnings, or severe warnings rather, in general, across our region tonight going into tomorrow morning. Um, while this will not be a major severe weather outbreak, impacts could be felt as we go in to that time frame as well. So just be mindful of that. It is in the overnight period. So we want to make sure that everybody does get those warnings, have ways to get those warnings. If you have weather radios, have those active tomorrow night, phones up, a way to get those warnings and watches as they come out tomorrow or tonight into tomorrow morning. So let's jump into our update today. The day one SPC outlook for this morning. They did extend that level 2 risk over more into West Kentucky. That now coming around the Lakes area, Trigg County there, extending back down into Tennessee and up to uh, around the Madisonville area northward. You see that level 3 out there, out from us. You know, uh, we'll have to see how things come together. There's still some disagreement in models and modeling for this event. As you know, this time of year is extremely difficult to forecast severe weather in our region. Uh, Being that we're in a change of season, a lot of times models don't work so well for that. They are what they are, they're computer models. So we will have a lot better idea probably this afternoon of what is going to happen or how it will play out. Uh, I will say our forecast here that I'm going to tell you now is, about a medium confidence that will take place. Again, tonight will not be a severe weather outbreak for say. We're not thinking that right now. Could severe weather risk go up? Yes. Could severe weather risk go down? Yes. Uh, you know, as I said, models are models, uh, and we'll just have to play it by ear going through today. Again, we'll have another severe weather update later this afternoon as well. So, again, that level 2 risk extending further over into West Kentucky. Tennessee County, Stewart County, you're now covered in a level 2. Montgomery County, you're remaining in that level 1 risk. However, this will be a line of storms as they move through along the cold front. So, everybody's going to get some of this. It's not going to be a hit or miss thing. It's going to be everybody gets a line sweep. Uh, so the question now is how strong the line will be as it pushes in. Uh, will we see a higher tornado risk? Will we see a higher damaging wind risk? Uh, Possibly even a higher hail risk? Uh, or, as I said, this all goes away. Uh, that's a possibility as well. So, let's take a look at our risk right now of what we're thinking here at SWKSS. The damaging wind risk, a little below a medium. We do have that small tornado risk. It's not high, but it's not zero either. Um, I will say that those will probably be QLCS tornadoes that will be on the line. We're not expecting the big, massive tornadoes that we have seen in our area in recent times. Uh, Again, this will be the small, quick spin up tornadoes, oftentimes between warnings. So again, even more important, being overnight, you'll have little or no time to react to these warnings. So make sure that you're watching this. Again, it will be a line, hopefully, along the cold front. Hopefully, we don't have any storms develop ahead of the line. That will be a little bit more of a concern, and I do want to let everybody know that will be a more concern of a tornado risk. And if that happens, again, we'll be on top of that and let you guys know. Do we expect that right now? Not so much. So again, a lot of storms, isolated tornadoes, winds are higher, damaging wind gusts is our higher risk. Large damaging hail, also a risk there, about the same as our damaging wind threat. And then we also have our flash flooding threat as well. With all of this as the line pushes through the area. So we have changed a little bit on timing. I did broaden it out a little bit more. So now we're expecting overnight 8 p.m. this evening to 5 a.m. tomorrow morning on your Friday. I think by 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, we're done. We're out of this for the SWKSS region, and it's pushed to the east. So that's our hope anyway. And hopefully that'll give some time, at least a little bit. If we do have damage and things, that we could get the roads back open for any schools that are in session, and get the kids onto school and everybody able to get to work as well for your Friday rush hour. So again, 8 p.m. tonight to 5 a.m. Tomorrow morning. Yes, sorry about that. It's again late 1:28 a.m. this morning for your Thursday. So that is all we have for your severe weather update for this morning. Again, we'll have another severe weather update going in later this afternoon. Probably get some rest. It's probably going to be a long night of tracking storms with you all. So team will probably be getting rested up, getting ready. I will do an update again sometime tomorrow afternoon. Probably after the afternoon hour, as the Storm Prediction Center will have another update at that time, and we'll get more model updates as well around that time. So be looking forward to that, and we'll be with you through the day, through the night, as needed, as always. So we'll leave you with our severe weather message for 2024, so everybody stays aware of what is coming in. With severe weather is forecasted for the SWKSS region, turn to SWKSS. With our underground reports out in the storm with SWKSS Green Weather Spotters on Facebook Lives. To our severe weather update videos, we keep you informed. Knowing the difference between watches and warnings. A severe weather watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen for later statements and possible warnings. By following media outlets or internet sources or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. If a tornado warning is issued for your area, you should take action and move to a basement or lowest floor or interior room away from doors and windows. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck area if possible. If not, kneel on your knees. Put your head down using both arms and hands to cover your head and neck area as best as possible. This should also be done in an interior room, lowest floor of the building, kneeling against an interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you're in a mobile home, you should make plans ahead of time to take shelter in a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you're in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no shelter nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch, covering your head and neck area. Never take cover under an overpass. How can you be ready for severe weather to hit the SWKSS region? Stay informed. Have a flashlight and batteries. First aid kit. Have a family medicines and special needs ready to take the shelter with you. Knowing where to go before the storm arrives. And have all devices charged and ready to go. SWKSS Southwestern Kentucky storm spotters cover 17 counties in western Kentucky and 2 counties in Tennessee. Being prepared saves lives. SWKSS before, during, and after the storm.